On today's episode of Home Care Digital, we are talking about how to get more referrals from referral sources. The number one thing when it comes to home care is understanding that this business is about building relationships. And if we're being honest, all businesses are about building relationships. It's an essential piece of growing any business, no matter what business you are in. I love this quote: "The quality of your life is determined by the quality of your relationships. The quality of your business is no different." Building relationships is a fundamental piece of how we're leveraging what we're doing and how we're getting referrals. So what can we do in order to establish these relationships, to get people to know us, aside from, let's say, networking events? We can actually create our own networking opportunity by having a show. Having a show, whether it be a podcast or a video series, is one of the greatest ways for you to make new connections, as well as creating great marketing materials. When you have a podcast or a video series, it gives you the opportunity to reach out to referral sources and say, "Hey, I have a show and I'd like for you to be on it so that I can market your business for you." Wait, you want to market my business for me for free? Yep. How amazing is that? Of course they're going to say yes. And what this does is it presents you with an opportunity to use that time when you're recording to actually network. And so the time that you set up, use the beginning of the session to get to know them and network, then you record, then you network again at the end. And so now it becomes its own networking event. And then it goes into this aspect of this collaborative effort where they're showing it, they're sharing it on social media, you're tagging them. Now you're getting in front of their audience. They love it because now they have content that they can share. And so it's this great way where both parties win, but it's a way that you can do it from your own home, which I know can be difficult into getting into referral sources physically. And it's a way to do it online, as well as creating great social media content at the same time that you can send to your email list, as all part of your digital marketing strategy. What's really great about this too is that they're creating the content for you. So you don't even have to create content. They do the work. They answer questions that you're presenting to them that's going to help your audience and help their audience. And now you've created this great tool, this great resource that they can use on a regular basis, that you can use in your marketing effort to get in front of more people. Let me share a quick example. This is Paul. He's a member of Lead Machine Academy. And what was so awesome about this is he's just getting started in his video series. He partnered up with one of his friends, and what he's able to do is he hasn't even started recording yet, but he put out a message on LinkedIn letting people know about the show and said, "We're always looking for guests to join us, so feel free to message me or Jason if you are interested." What's so amazing about this is that his inbox ended up getting flooded with people coming to him because people love free marketing. And so by having this aspect, by having this outreach, now people are actually coming to him to be on the show. And so being the leader and having something like this is such a powerful marketing tool so that you can start these conversations, build these relationships, give them marketing materials, get in front of a bigger audience, as well as generate referrals from these referral partners that you're having on your show. So having a video series or a podcast is one of the most amazing things that you can do for your business. So let's review. How to get more referrals. Create a show. Tell people about your show. Ask people to be on your show. And number 4, a bonus one, post your show across social media. Do you want to learn how so many people just like you are getting incredible results on social media? Then you have got to check out my brand new free training, Social Media Success, where you're going to learn the 5 biggest mistakes home care business owners are making and how you can avoid them. All you got to do is go to thedigitalchamps.com/social and start watching today.